Everything you touch that plugs in or lights up is speaking a secret language. Your smartphone, your laptop, the lights in your room, even your electric toothbrush, are all having a constant silent conversation, not with words, but with the controlled movement of tiny particles. Most people use these every day, yet the fundamentals feel like a mystery. That's a shame, because the core ideas are surprisingly simple. By the end of this video, you'll understand how all electronics work. From a single, blinking light, to the complex brain of your phone. We are surrounded by this invisible magic. A printed circuit board is a city of components and pathways. Chargers manage energy. Wi-Fi is made by electronics. An entire ecosystem, few rules. We'll break those rules down with clear examples, no heavy math or jargon. We'll look at what electricity is, meet the three core components, and see how a simple loop makes everything work. Remember these 5 words. Let's unlock the world of electronics, simply. What is electricity really? Think water flowing through pipes. A tank up high pushes water down, a simple, powerful analogy. Electrons behave similarly, moving through wires. The pipe is your wire, the flowing water is current. 3 terms matter most. Voltage, the push that makes electrons move, like water pressure. More height, more pressure, more volts, stronger push. Current, how much is flowing each second, the rate of flow. High current gushes, low current trickles. Remember, flow, resistance, anything that slows current, like a narrow pipe or a pinch. In circuits, resistors are deliberate bottlenecks for protection. Copper, low resistance, good conductor. Rubber, high resistance, good insulator. Next, meet the parts that control the flow. Thousands of parts exist, but 3 define most simple circuits. Understand these, and you can read most boards. Resistor controls flow. Capacitor stores energy. Transistor acts like a switch. A resistor is a speed bump. Slows current to protect sensitive parts like LEDs. Too much current, and an LED burns out. The resistor keeps it safe. Control. A capacitor stores a small charge and releases it quickly, like filling and tipping a bucket. It smooths power and delivers bursts. Think camera flashes. Store. The transistor is the game changer, an electronic switch or valve. A tiny control signal can govern a much larger current. Amplification. Billions switching on and off make computing possible. Switch. On boards. R for resistors. C for capacitors. Q, often U, for transistors. Quick check. Which part stores energy? R, C, or Q? Answer, C, the capacitor. Now let's see how a circuit breathes. How a closed loop turns these pieces into action. Rule 1. Electricity needs a complete, unbroken path to flow. That path is called a circuit. Battery to resistor, to LED, and back to the battery. When the final connection is made, the loop completes, and the LED turns on. Electrons flow from negative, through the wire, through the LED, through the resistor, back to positive. Focus word, loop. Break the loop. Current stops. Nothing works. An open circuit. A wall switch simply opens the circuit with a tiny gap. Battery provides push, voltage. Wires provide low resistance path. The LED does the work. The resistor protects. Pop quiz. What happens if any connection opens? Answer, the LED goes dark. Mistakes teach the rules. Connecting an LED straight to a battery. Low internal resistance. Huge current surge. Quick burnout. Like a fire hydrant blasting into a straw. Solution, add a resistor to control current. Polarized parts must face the right way. An LED's longer leg is positive, anode. Shorter is negative, cathode. Backwards, no light. Shorting +2 with a wire creates a near zero resistance path. Massive current, heat, sparks, possible battery failure. This is electricity's raw power when not controlled. Which mistake is most dangerous? No resistor, reversed LED, or short circuit? Short circuit. The current spike can cause serious damage. These errors reinforce the rules. Manage flow with control in a safe loop. Let's make it real. An Arduino blink. Code controls hardware through a closed loop. Arduino is a beginner-friendly microcontroller. 3 steps. Input, code, output. You write a simple program and upload it to the board. Set pin high, delay, set pin low, delay. Repeat forever. Wire pin 13 to a resistor to the LED's long leg, then back to GND. When high, current flows and the LED lights. When low, it turns off. Phones, robots, chargers, satellites, same fundamentals: flow, control, store, switch, loop. If you understand this, you understand 90% of electronics. Subscribe to Tech Spark Builds for more electronics explained simply.